panda, panda, panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to the lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on the helmets.
Whoa, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Xavier Tasty Cows here, bringing you an update video to my channel. Ta-da! I am truly and terribly sorry for not uploading for the last 5 months. I've been on vacation, which I will talk about in the upcoming video. Yay! I had some deaths through my family, so it was a really tough time for me. Yeah, back to the update for my channel. I knew I said before that I will upload twice a week, but because of school and my studies, I need to upload once a week, so be looking forward for that. I will be playing new games such as Roblox. If you guys haven't heard of that, please check it out. It's really awesome. This game, other games I got introduced to while on vacation and stuff. But please be looking forward for challenges and skits with It's Bros and Rise Volts. I really like collaborating with them. They're really fun people. That's why I do with my friends. Yay! But if you guys want to comment any challenges or skits to do, please comment in the comment section below. And yeah, I also want to thank all my subscribers for sticking around. It's been a long time, and I actually thought you guys would have unsubscribed. So thank you so much for that, and I really appreciate it. So leave a like if you haven't, subscribe if you're new, and it's been Tasty Cows, guys. Peace.
I gave you attention when nobody else was paying. I gave you the shirt off my back, what you saying, to keep you warm. I showed you the game everybody else was playing, that's for sure. And I was on my knees when nobody else was praying. Oh Lord, where are you now that nature? Where are you now that I need you? I need you, I need you, I need you, I need you, I need you. Where are you now that I need you? I need you, I need you, I need you. I need you the most.